Hello everyone, thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Here I am with a quick recap on TASI's last week events and the expected direction of prices for the next week. But before we move to the next part of video, here is a quick disclaimer. Please read it and only once you agree, proceed with the next part of this video. So I am not a registered advisor. These videos are only for information and educational purposes. Do consult your trading advisor before placing a trade and follow your own risk management rules. Thank you. So as we know, last week was a very eventful week at TASI. Market made a low of 10,599 and mid low of 10,599 and a high of 10,839. So the overall trend on the longer time frame, as I have been mentioning repeatedly, it remains intact as moderately bullish to bullish. But the question is whether, as our target is, whether market is able to, market is going to break 11,150 to 200 zone and proceed towards even higher. So now in this journey there are a lot of events will be that will keep unfolding. So here on 3-day time frame, we had during the week we had one positive reversal formation which has already achieved its target, which is very healthy for market, because when market forms positive reversals and keeps achieving its targets, there can't be anything better than that. So, but now the question is whether the resistance will be, this zone will be getting broken. And why I'm emphasizing on this is on multiple smaller time frames, there are multiple divergences which exist, and in case if this zone is getting broken, a lot of divergences will be getting blown on smaller time frames. But if this does not get broken, uh, market may have some concerns, and this will indicate that probably that bulls are tired, and they need some more energy to proceed towards 11,150 to 200 zone and break it successfully. Now I'll come to 4 hourly time frame, where I have seen some setup emerging, and we have had multiple divergences between 10,698, 719, and then between 10,719 and then 700, 805. And this zone is pretty complex, because near around this level only you'll find some divergences emerging on 3 hourly time frame, 2 hourly time frame, 1 hourly time frame, even 30 minutes time frame. So basically what is happening is that prices are rising, but in order for a healthy bull run, you got to have these divergences getting blown, which is not happening. But anyways, I'll come straight to now 2 hourly time frame. Here we have had positive reversal and the bearish divergence. Now positive reversal has achieved its target, but also what it has done is that it has not been able to break its divergences. You can see that this reversal was broken, but then divergences are not being cleared. So you see this 10,734 and this is 10,819. Just keep an eye that this is also here at this point market made a high of 10,839, and it made divergences between these 2 points, that is 734, 839, 819, and then between 738 and 819. And market is not able to just break these levels, and market has to break in but in order to break this, bulls have to come with fresh energy. Going to the lower time frame, there is hourly time frame, and here on hourly time frame also we have got divergences, very clear divergences. I'm not going to mark the numbers on all the peaks, because multiple n number of divergences exist over here. This zone has to be broken. As I have shown you in various time frames that this zone is getting very complex, and now it is impacting your higher time frame also. 4 hourly time frame is also getting impacted. Likewise, going to 30 minutes time frame, we again have back to back multiple divergences over here also. Look, what is happening is that price is correcting, and then straight away going into the zone, straight away rallying, because we have got intermediate term positive reversal pattern between multiple time frames, and this will keep happening unless negative reversals keep emerging. The moment negative reversals will keep emerging, your positive reversal on higher time frame will probably start breaking. Till the time that starts happening, direction of price is clearly moderately bullish to bullish, but it also depends on what is your risk bearing capacity, because this is also the time to tighten your stops and you know follow your risk management rules very strictly, because what is happening is the market is rallying significantly, but while rallying, market is just not able to clear these divergence zones. Market has to clear these divergence zones. If market is unable to clear repeatedly, and the impact gets compounded on various time frames, that is the higher time frames. And today I have shown you what has happened on 4 hourly time frame. I have already shown you that there are two back-to-back divergences over there as well. So sooner or later, it will be very difficult for bulls to maintain their energy level, and keep taking the market higher, despite of momentum not favoring them. I might be wrong. Do consult your trading advisor. These are only my personal views. But this is how, when I put my discretionary trading system in is trading system in place, this is what I can see. So the expected direction of price on higher time frame, and I hope that we are matured enough to understand that when I say higher time frame, you also know what is the stop loss that one got to deploy, and what is the risk management method one has to follow. So on higher time frame, undoubtedly direction of price remains to be clearly moderately bullish to bullish. But seeing what is happening on the lower time frames, I would be very skeptical unless these divergences are getting broken. So for me, expected direction of price on a higher time frame is moderately bullish to bullish. On the lower time frames, I would be very cautious and very careful on the market. My resistances are pretty clear. 10,800 to 850. Probably, if I was talking about 800 earlier, so I'll maintain 800. Second resistance will be 11,000, and third resistance will be, of course, 11,150 to 200. With this, I will close this video. Thanks a lot for watching my YouTube channel. In case if you have any query or question, you may put it on my email ID, which is mentioned below. If by any chance you like my content, do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot. God bless you all.